There we are. Now Garrett and I, come on, let's go put the refrigerator back, Garrett. Please. Hey, I need your help, Garrett. He thinks that's pretty funny. Hey Garrett, what are you doing? Hey. Okay, come on, let's go. No, we don't need a sweep. We already swept.
No.
We already swept. Let's put this back. What's wrong, Garrett? Okay, come on, help Daddy put it back. Come on, help me push. Let's go. I need your help. Come here. Come on. Let's push it. Push. Come on. Keep going. We gotta scoot it up. We gotta scoot it over. It's a tight fit. Is it close back in there? Is it close? Kind of a tight fit, huh? Okay, come on, help Daddy push again, please. Let's go. Over here, right here. Go. Push. Open? We don't want to open it yet. We got to get it back in there first. Daddy's got something in the way. Okay, we're going to go back. We're going to go back this way. Watch your feet. Can you help me push it back? Can you help me push it, please? Push. Push. Push, push, push. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Come on. All right, we did it. We did it, Garrett. Good job.